Yeah, it'd be interesting to see again why the scores were what they were.
Let's start at the bottom of the leaderboard in apartment 3.
Finding our truth in a hope of doubt, lying inside our quiet drama.
Our Sydney-siders Hayden and Sarah were determined to create a winning guest bedroom, but the judges thought the furniture and styling let them down, describing it as boring, dull, predictable, flat, tired and drab. And they were very critical on the legs being removed from the bed.
Ooh, oh, I like it. So big.
I feel for them. They got smashed.
Then in saying that, there's elements that feel a bit empty.
I just think the criticism was so harsh.
See, that's nice.
I thought it's a nice room. I couldn't see what they were getting slammed for.
Oh.
But then I thought back on it and things like the bed being on the ground. Looked like a bachelor that just moved into a house and didn't have any legs to throw in his bed.
The low bed?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd probably put the legs on it, yeah.
It's so big. Look at this.
Amazing.
All this storage.
I love it. I'd ditch that. That looks like a square sheep.
As well as a square sheep, Jess has noticed there's no wallpaper on the walls.
So when we were in carpet court, Sarah was FaceTiming a person that looked to be a designer, but she said it was her wallpaper consultant.
Sarah, who's that you're talking to?
That was just wallpaper. I didn't want to accuse her of anything, but Darren Hayden's bedroom, no wallpaper. But at the same time, the judges hammered him on their room, so maybe I might get her to keep consulting with that lady, because she's not giving her very good advice.
Oh my, oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my.
Downstairs in apartment 1, Kerry and Spence were wrapped with the finished result of their guest bedroom. But the bold move of changing the architect's plans and going against the judges' direct advice to make the most of their remaining space, the South Aussies ended up in 4th place.
Well, that's too bad.
Hello. Welcome to our room.
It is a little room.
King-size bed.
I know, it's massive, isn't it? I do agree with the judges with the space where their bed is. It's really tight. There's not much room to move, but I'm not sure what else they could have done in that space.
The proportions of the room aren't right.
It's definitely not as spacious as our room, but I like the study.
That's incredible.
Yeah, so I'm going to sit here, read a book.
This is huge in here.
This is like out of a magazine.
Finishes are perfect.
Yeah, good job. She's a ripper guest bedroom.
Oh,
If you went to someone's house and had to sleep here, you wouldn't be upset.
I wouldn't be complaining.
No. All right, let's go to the next one.
Yep.
Up in the penthouse, Norm and Jess attempted to create the guest bedroom of the future with voice-activated Alexa who controls the lights and blinds. The judges said it was a beautiful and lush room, but thought it could have been made more functional, slotting the Queenslanders into 3rd place.
Hi, welcome to our room.
Oh, that's pretty. I love the bed head.
Alexa, turn on bedroom light.
Hey, it works.
I don't know if I'm a fan of the ottoman. I think that's a bit ugly.
Do love the old Bromley.
It does make a room, but
Considering we spent $200 on our artwork.
I love these curtains. That's what we would have in our house. Like this floor-to-ceiling sheer white is stunning. Alexa.
Lights off.
Maybe she...
Huh? Hey, how's that?
What's this?
Nice.
Beautiful.
Everybody needs a little room.
Downstairs in apartment 2, Courtney and Hans came in second and impressed the judges with their sophisticated colour palette and the concrete look of the wardrobe. But factoring in the troubles they had with their ceiling, half a point off first is not a bad showing for our Renault rookies.
Oh. Jesus.
Door's a bit tight.
Might need to buzz a bit off that.
I might need to buzz a bit off. This is peaceful, isn't it?
This is lovely. Oh, I like how they've made this bed. I need to take note.
Take a photo.
Yeah.
Okay, walking into here just makes me really upset and mad. That door doesn't even open properly. And the feet are off their bed too, aren't they?
They are, actually.
Seriously, the feet are off their bed as well.
So they didn't get that comment.
No, they didn't get that comment at all.
Yeah.
Don't tell us we don't have feet on our bed when these guys don't have feet on their bed either.
That's bull, man.
That is bull.
As Sarah obsesses over bovine bowel movements, let's check out last night's winning room.
There's something special on the other side of this moment.
On the north side of the penthouse, Bianca and Carla wowed the judges with luxurious styling, ample storage in the walk-in robe and a wooden panelled ceiling, all creating an atmosphere worthy of a multi-million-dollar apartment.
Winners, 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 winners.
Yeah, good on him.
It's a good take on the ceiling.
That was obviously carried on from their bathroom, but they've used the white in between.
But yeah,
Little floating bedsides.
Yeah, they're incredible. That is so hotel. It's exactly what they said. This is like a St Kilda boutique kind of apartment.
The styling's really good.
Finishes could be a bit better. They've got like no cornices, no skirts, nothing.
Oh, there's a mirror.
Oi!
Oh, hello.
Sense of light.
Thought our mirror was big.
Is that bigger?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's huge. It's nice with the light behind it.
Yeah.
The cabinetry is a bit tall. Imagine trying to get up there.
Go. Can you get... There we go.
I got it, babe. I got it, babe. Yeah.
Well done.
Well done, girls. Well done.
Beautiful.